YouTube, what they do? What's good, baby? What's good? We back, man. We back once again with another banger. Another video giving y'all that sauce, man. Y'all get your notepad and your pen and your paper, man. Take notes. It's a sauce alert, man. Straight sauce right now. As you can see on the screen, the move I caught was Tesla. I caught this move right here today. This little move that you can see right here. This the move I caught before this bounce back. Oh, and I got out right, almost bottom ticked it. But yeah, man, enough of this small talk, man. Let me get into the game plan. What was the reason behind me taking puts today in Tesla? It start off with yesterday. As you can see yesterday, you see this move right here. This move happened because it was a sell-off in the market. The reason being with the sell-off was because of Fed President, St. Louis Fed President Bullard. He came out with some inflationary talks, talking about we need to do a full percentage point when the next time we do rate hikes. And you know, once the market seen that, heard that, that's when you got this nasty move. So basically, once he said that, the whole market sold off. Tesla sold off. The SPY, every stock. If you're a trader, man, you be on here every day. You know, once them comments came out from the Fed chair, St. Louis Fed chair Bullard, everything sold off. You feel me? So with me knowing that, with the Fed chair, and then also yesterday, there was a recall on Tesla. Tesla had a recall of 362,000 vehicles. It was about their full self-driving software. That was reported as well. So that's like two. So we got an overall market news, and we got a news specifically on Tesla. So that's what also caused this. So I'm coming in today like, okay, I got that. I'm looking for the market to fall to the downside, man, for me to get a down move in Tesla. You get what I'm saying? So coming in today, you already know, as you can see, hold on, let me bring this over some a little bit. As you can see, this our open line. We had a little small gap down. From the little small gap down, what we got right here? We got a little resistance, which yesterday at the end of the close was support. So we got this right here, and we gap down above that. Now let me pull the screen out back a little further for y'all. Once I pull the screen out, as you can see right here, this level was tested before. That's why we got the bounce over here. That's why when Tesla sold off, it came down and bounced off this level. You know what I'm saying? Showed a little bit of buyers stepping in. Because when you look back right here, you can see we already hit this level before. So now we got our supply zone, what we looking to play off of. You get what I'm saying? So coming into the day, we done did the gap down. So I'm looking to get the bounce off this level right here, as you can see. Let me pull this up. So you see my charts. Yeah, I'm looking to get the bounce off of this level as you can see. So let me do this real quick so y'all can see it, how it will play it out. So here we go. This the bounce. I'm looking to get the rejection off to this level, stop loss above here. Let's see how it played out. Now, once we get the break above that on this candle with this nice little volume, as you can see, this is where I jumped in at. Right there. Make sure I jump in right there. Stop loss above this candle right here. Stop loss above that stop loss above this candle right here. So now I'm in. Let's see what happened. We get our move. We get our move. First piece of profit taken out the table. Right here. Right in front of this previous area what we bounce off of the open. As you can see, you see aggressive buyer coming in with these tails. So once we got in here, I immediately took some off the table, as you can see right here. So one contract. Let's see what happened after that. Now we get to bounce back off of that level. Now this is our stop loss area. Once we get back above here, it's a wrap for the trade. But let's see how the stock played out. We get the rejection there. So right now, as you can see right now, we got a double top. So you know what I'm saying, this area looking real good as far as a good stop loss, man. As you can see, we got the rejection. Sellers step back in, start to push the stock back down. Let's see what happens. Now, like we got a double rejection in that area. Now also, we got this right here. Now pay attention to this, man. As you can see, we pushed up, got pushed down. Pushed back up, got pushed down. Pushed up, got pushed down. You know what I'm saying? You can see it's a lot of selling pressure in this area, man. You can see short sellers getting short, banks, hedge funds, everybody getting short. So also, but look what else I was seeing in the midst of this though. While I'm in the trade, just chilling, you know what I'm saying? Cause we ain't touched my stop loss area yet. Look what else I seen in the midst of this trade. A nice ascending triangle. So once I pull it back, look at the bear flag for me. Look at the bear flag. Let me move this. Look at the bear flag. We got 1, 2, 3. We got 4 times that we tried to get above this level. We didn't get above it. And then we got this uptrend, this uptrending line, giving us a nice ascending triangle. And then we got this right here, just showing the bear flag is right there. So now I'm just looking for Tesla to break down. Now this gave me a little bit more confidence, okay? Because I already was confident since Stella's kept stepping in and playing off this level right here. So I already was confident. Let's see what happens now. We starting to get the breakout. The breakdown at the ascending triangle. Okay, bam. As you can see, sold another contract. Right here. The reason I sold another contract is just because, we was taking too long. You get what I'm saying? So I just want to, you know what I'm saying, take some risk off. You know what I'm saying? It was because it was taking too long. Sometimes, I still get impatient. I be ready for the move to just happen. You know what I'm saying? But I'm like, man, let me take another piece off, man. Just, you know what I'm saying, just in case we get by this area and rip back to the upside. You get what I'm saying? And I don't want this trade to turn into a losing trade. So as you can see, and it's the second time we done got to this area. This once, this twice, this the third time we done got to the area. We done got there 2 times before 10 o'clock, and now we done got there again. So let's see what happened. Now we get the nice candle through there. Still, look at that. Look at the bounce. Look at buyers stepping in at that area. You see the buyers stepping in? That's why I wanted to take that piece off right there. But let's see what happens. Now we get the rollover. And once we get the rollover, you see I take my final piece right here. Well, no, that's not my final piece. I take my third contract off right here. Reason being, I took the third contract off right here. Let me go to the 15 minute for y'all. As you can see, we was at this level right here. You see this level right here where this triangle formed? Y'all see where this triangle was? And then it pushed up where this bull flag was. Let me show y'all the bull flag. I know y'all, for those who can't see it, look at this. Where this bull flag was, what its support was on the 15 minute. Once I seen we got right here, and then look, if you pull it back just a little bit more on the 12th, you can see where it was first. Resistance broke through on the 13th and became support on the 14th, and then you got the break outside the triangle, and then you got this nice move on Tesla. So once I seen that, I say, yo, I gotta take a piece off right there. It's a mandatory. I take a piece off right there. Then let's see. Hold on, this is the 15 minute. You can see we bounced off that line. You can see we bounced off on the 15 minute. But when I go back to the 3, what we got? We got right there to that area, that same area I was showing y'all. And what happened? We got the bounce. So I was doing smart from taking it right there, because that was my next level to take a piece of profit off. And then once we broke above this line right here, let me move this, let me clear this up for y'all. Once we broke above this line right here, these 3 once we broke above this right here, there's 1, 2, 3. You get what I'm saying? Once we broke above this 3 this triple bottom right here, what I did, got out, because yo, I'm like, man, yo, if it can't hold that, that's when I took my final piece right here. I'm saying to myself, if it can't hold that, if it can't hold that move, then chances are it might bounce back, because you know what I'm saying, the stock, not all the time, but you know what I'm saying, you do have some days where the stock just continue to just bleed out. You get what I'm saying? But this one that up, but this wasn't that time. So once I took my final piece of profit off right there, and then let's see what Tesla did for the rest of the day. Look at that move off of this level. Now, this is why I took the profit off. And look at this, you got this extension move like this, and then you got the retest of that same level I was just telling y'all. The retest of that same level, and look, you got this move right here. So yeah, man, basically that's what it was, man. As you can see right here, maybe like 500, 520, you know what I'm saying? Textbook trade. Took about 2 hours, man, you know what I'm saying? Playing off the news, playing off weakness in the market, playing off market sentiment, because you could playing off market sentiment at the St. Louis Fed President Bullard's ad off of Tesla recall, bringing them cars back in about their self-driving software. And then that was it, man. That was just the trade, man. So man, y'all like the video, comment, subscribe, man. And I'll catch y'all, man, on the rebound, man. I'm out.
Tesla recalling 362,000 vehicles, warning that its self-driving software may cause crashes.
Well, for years now, there's been questions about the safety or the capabilities of Tesla's ADAS systems. These systems that aren't fully self-driving, but they're more advanced than cruise control, the basic cruise control you have.
Tesla in the headlines today. It is most days one way or another, isn't it? The EV maker recalling now 362,000 vehicles. Charlie Munger, the investor, says the company is, by the way, losing to BYD in China. And new reports out that the company fired employees for unionizing. A trifecta of stories to dig into. And